Here's how to help you and your baby move away from snacking all the night long and reverse cycling. And what I mean by reverse cycling is that your baby starts to rely on calories overnight when really we want them to get them during the day. It can be absolutely age appropriate for older babies to still have feeds overnight, but not relentlessly every 1 to 2 hours or just always on the breast or bottle. And as always, if that works for you and it's sustainable, no problem. But if it's become unsustainable and particularly you're noticing less feeds during the day, then we need to switch it around. And the place to start is with your day feeds. Now, I make a lot of content about how we focus on nights first and then come to days, but your day feeds need to set your overnight feeds up for success. We want our babies to get their calories during the day. So by anchoring in your feed, so let's say at 5 months old, I'd be anchoring in 4 hourly feeds, breast or bottle, doesn't matter. And then if they've started a meal of solids, you'd slot that in too. But we want our babies tanking up, not topping up, so that you can go into each wake window, each nap, and each night knowing that they've got a nice full tummy. And if your baby is used to snacking all night long, I would never go cold turkey. They have been relying on these calories, and I never want a baby to go hungry. So you're then going to structure in 4 hourly feeds overnight. So instead of feeding every 1 to 2 hours, you're going to feed 4 hourly, which usually sits somewhere between 10:30 and 11:30, and the waking at 2:30 to 3:30. Every other waking, you're going to use some kind of sleep training or resettling technique that feels right for you and your baby. Then that first waking after 10:30 or somewhere between 10:30 and 11:30, you're going to offer a full feed and then back down to sleep. And then everything in the next 4 hours, you're going to resettle instead. We want our babies to tank up with that first milk feed of the day to really set the tone for the rest of the day, which then flows over to the nights. So anchor in your day feeds, schedule in your night feeds, and choose a settling technique for anything overnight that isn't an overnight feed, and resettle, resettle, resettle.